clouds of dust. Leopard, lugging his stolen sleigh, crack, crack, the ground split beneath him. He and the sack plunged into a deep crevice. Rocks tumbled, a mirrored slit of sky.
Somebody help me!
Pulled him up, feet sliding in the mud. This year's dry season was suffocatingly harsh. The stream had dried up to bare stones, the ground split with deep cracks, and the leaves shriveled and brittle. The whole forest seemed drained of life. The only hope was the relief delivery from the forest beyond. Sacks of dried rations, a few jugs of water, and some precious dried roots and fruits. At noon, the animals stood in a long line on the open clearing, waiting for their share. No one spoke, only the sound of tired breathing filled the air. Suddenly, thud, thud, thud. Strong, heavy footsteps shattered the silence. Leopard strode in, golden fur glittering with black spots, eyes full of arrogance. He scanned the line and smirked.
Wait in line so these weaklings get theirs first? Not a chance!
He shoved a young squirrel to the ground, snatched a water jug from Skinny Deer, and grabbed a whole sack of rations without hesitation. Little Sparrow flew up, shouting,
"Leopard, these supplies are for everyone!"
Leopard scoffed.
In this forest, who's stronger than me? No one! So, it's all mine!
He cast them one last contemptuous glance and walked off, leaving the clearing in heavy silence. By late afternoon, black clouds swelled overhead. Dry wind howled, lifting clouds of dust. Leopard, lugging his stolen sack, crossed a rocky slope toward his den. Suddenly, crack, crack, the ground split beneath him. Before he could react, he and the sack plunged into a deep crevice. Rocks tumbled, claws scraped against the cliff face, but it was slick, crumbling under his grip. Below was suffocating darkness. Above, only a mirrored slit of sky.
Somebody help me!
Leopard's cry echoed back coldly. For the first time, he felt powerless. Back in the animal village, Sparrow returned with the news. Skinny Deer, Squirrel, and White Rabbit looked at each other. Everyone remembered Leopard's theft that morning. The air was heavy, until Rabbit said,
"If we let him die there, we're no better than him."
The group nodded. Rain began pouring as they reached the spot, water rushing into the crevice. Rabbit tossed down a vine rope.
Hold on tight! Don't let go!
Leopard clung to it, but the strong current made him slip again and again. The group strained to pull him up, feet sliding in the mud, breathing hard. A sharp snap echoed from the vine. They nearly got dragged down with him. Deer braced himself. Squirrel wrapped more vines around a tree trunk. Finally, with a shouted pull, Leopard burst over the edge, collapsing on the soaked ground, gasping for air. He looked at them, voice rough.
Why did you save me?
Sparrow replied.
Because we help, even those who've treated us badly.
Leopard lowered his head, rain mixing with hot tears. The next morning, at the relief distribution, Leopard appeared at the very end of the line. When he got his share, he split it in half for Deer and Squirrel, then raised his voice.
From now on, no one takes another share. We survive because of each other.
Cheers rang across the parched forest, bouncing off tree trunks and slipping through cracked stones. Above, the morning sun broke through the gray clouds, spilling warm golden light over everything, as if awakening new life in the forest. And in that moment, everyone understood. The greatest strength is in sharing and protecting one another.